A technological advancement should improve the state of knowledge or capability in a technological field. This advancement must seek to advance the capabilities or knowledge of the wider industrial community, not just your own capabilities. In order to establish an advancement, you must first outline the current industry knowledge and capability. This will be the current best approach to solving the problem, or the current approach to solving the most similar problem. Often you may know that a competitor in the field has already achieved an advancement, but if it is not publicly known how it was achieved, then you can still seek to achieve the same advancement. An advancement will usually make a thing better in some way, or improve how we understand it. For example, we could be seeking to make a car faster, lighter, cheaper, handle better, etc. How you achieve these goals should be uncertain for it to constitute a genuine advancement. How do I identify an advancement? An advancement will be the overall improvement you are trying to achieve through the R&D project. It can be identified by considering what you are trying to improve and how you are trying to improve it. In order to outline how the field could be advanced, it is important to establish the current baseline capability or knowledge. The technical experts working on the project should be aware and able to describe the current industry standard approaches. How do I describe my advancement? We sought to advance the capabilities of field X through the development and testing of Y. For example, we sought to advance the field of car aerodynamics through the development of a new car spoiler.